Hello guys, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make bagara rice or khushka. For that we have to take 4 tablespoons of fried onions, 2 big tomatoes cut into pieces, 5 to 6 green chilies cut into half, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of vinaigrette leaves, this is shah jeera, 1 tablespoon of shah jeera, 4 to 5 cloves, black pepper, cinnamon, 4 bay leaves, coriander leaves, salt as per your taste. Now take a bowl on the gas stove. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil. I am using here groundnut oil. Let it heat. Add cinnamon. Add 2 small elaichi. Add 6 cloves or lavang. Add half teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1 teaspoonful of shah jeera to it. Now add green chilli. Add fenugreek leaves. Add bay leaves. Fry all of them. Till the fluttering sound comes. Fry all of them till the fluttering sound comes. Now add ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Fry it to golden brown color. Yeah, it looks golden brown. Now we have to add fried onion straight. Mix them all. Now add tomatoes. Mix the tomatoes well. Now we have to cover it only and keep the flame in low for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes we have to open the lid and let us check whether the ingredients are cooked well or not. They are cooked well. Tomatoes contain lycopene. Tomatoes release lycopene when we cook them. If we eat tomatoes raw, we cannot get lycopene from that. When we cook the tomatoes only, we can get the lycopene. So we have to eat the cooked tomatoes only. Just mash the tomatoes. Now our gravy for Bagara rice is ready. We have to transfer it into the bowl now. We have to take one large glass of biryani rice, which we have to wash and soak it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take the rice into a bowl. Rice cooker bowl. I am taking the rice into a rice cooker bowl. Rice cooker. The remaining rice also I am pouring. Add 3 glasses of water into it. Add second glass of water. And the third glass of water. We have to take rice and water in the ratio of 1:3. With the same measure we have to take them. Now we have to add the biryani masala into the rice bowl. We have to transfer the entire gravy into the rice bowl. Now stir it well. Add 2 spoonful of salt or as per your taste. Stir them well. Add some coriander leaves on it. And close the lid of the rice cooker. On the switch. We have to on the rice cooker switch also. the red light is on. That means, see, the red light is on. That means the rice is cooking mode. The rice cooker is in a cooking mode. So it will take half an hour to cook the rice, Bagara rice. Now half an hour is over. Let us see our Bagara rice is ready or not. We have to check it. We have to mix all the rice. It is so nicely cooked. Let us plate the rice. And garnish it with some coriander leaves. Chilies and bay leaves are there. I have already cooked gongura chutney and chicken curry. The recipe of chicken curry I will show you later. Now our Bagara rice is ready to eat. Serve it hot. I hope you would like my Bagara rice, gongura chutney and chicken curry. Thank you for watching my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.